And I know that a lot of you are so scared and afraid, you know, of coming into the acting industry, wanting to be an actor because you have been told things that are not so much of what it is. All the producers and directors must sleep with you before you get a role, or before you get to play a lead role. Before I don't have to sleep with anybody before I get anywhere. So now they are saying all of that because some people are so pissed off about the fact that, oh, so I have to sleep with a director or producer. It is a big lie. It is so that you
ATI JAIYE KUTI, with all due respect, I don't agree to what you just said in this video. You see, the fact that you did not experience such that Bokpata can for any role in the industry does not mean that other people did not experience it. Your experience shouldn't nullify other people's experiences. ATI JAIYE KUTI, I respect you so much. You have always been supportive. You know, you have always been there for us in the industry. I love you pieces. You know that. But on this one, I have a contrary opinion on it. See, we all know what is going on in this, our society. Now, if it is only when you want to be discriminatory, it is only when you want to be sentimental, that you will now come out to say, Bokpata kinto help, Bokpata kinto for any ishe, Bokpata kinto for any roles, only exist in our industry, in Nollywood. It is only when you want to be biased. It's only when you want to be sentimental about it. Bokpata kinto help on shele in every sector of our lives. Banking sector, it happens in the banks too. The banking sector is one of the worst sectors that this.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ṣé Tony Montana lẹ́wà pẹ̀lú ni wípé kò sí gbogbo ibi tí a bá rìn sí ni wọ́n ti máa ń sọ wípé kéèyàn bọ́ pátá kó tó kan tó fún un níṣẹ́ tàbí kan tó fún un ní lead role, tàbí ẹwà pẹ̀lú JAIYE KUTI tó sọ wípé onírọ́ ni o, pé kò sí nǹkan kan tí ó jọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ wo fídíò láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ títí dé ìparí. Nǹkan tí ẹ bá lérò, ẹ gbìyànjú láti tẹ̀ sí comment section. Èèyàn tí ẹ bá wà pẹ̀lú, ẹ tẹ̀ sí comment section ká lè sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀. Ó yá, ẹ jẹ́ ká wo fídíò yìí láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ títí dé ìparí báyìí. A ó máa play rẹ̀ fún yín.
Thing happens. We heard about that woman, that banker that had 3 children for her boss in the office instead of her husband in the house. That at the end of the day, that her husband ended up buying himself over that issue, because by the time the guy realized that the children does not belong to him, he buying himself. It was the boss that was giving it to her in the office. So it was the boss. The boss is the father of those kids, because when the husband, you know, did a DNA test on the children, he realized that the children did not belong to him. He buying himself. It's in the banking sector. Now, a lot of in our tertiary institutions, in our universities, in our polytechnics, in our college of education, in our tertiary institutions, this thing happens. We cannot deny it. Some lecturers in school, just because they are enjoying the girls' pecus, they will be failing her. They will not want her. They will want her to spend longer time in school so they can continue enjoying the pecus. Some lecturers will even go as far as telling their colleagues that omo tawa yi ba me fail in no course. So if I fail her in my own course, it will be obvious to her that I am, you know, I'm knacking and I'm still failing her. So, but you fail her in your own course, so she will not be able to pass out of this school. So I will have the opportunity to be knacking. It happens in our schools, in our tertiary institutions. We all saw what Balatasaye Konga did with all those videos. Balatasaye Konga, you know, was knocking the babes, the female employees at work, in the office, right there on the table. Is Balatasaye Konga an actor? Is he in Nollywood industry? He's not. It's only when you want to be biased that we now come out and say, "One papa did me, one chekini konkato for many role." That thing is rampant in the Nollywood industry. It is a big lie. I'm not saying it does not exist. It does. Now, this message is going out to some directors, some production managers, some producers that are indulging in this kind of bad, you know, attitude. Stop stop. You guys have to stop, because it is detrimental to the image of our industry.